Nurture the beauty of life. Healthy water, water for life. IonTech, water ionizers. Houng Ji Industry Co Limited was established in 1997 by a group of professional water system specialists. We specialize in manufacturing water ionizer and reverse osmosis equipment components, development, design, and production. We follow a business philosophy based on professionalism, quality, and innovation. We are dedicated to product development, technological improvements, and providing the most reasonably priced, outstanding water purification products for the industry.
はい、株式会社ユニティの藤本です。今日は台湾のイオンテックさんについてちょっとお話しさせていただきたいなと思いますけど、イオンテックさんとの出会いがちょうど昨年になります。で、我が社の方がアルカリイオン整水器を求めてまして、いろいろなところにコンタクトを取っていたところ、最終的にこちら台湾のイオンテックさんと出会うことができました。出会いに関しましてはいろんな中で何か所かあったんですけど、今回私どもがイオンテックさんとビジネスをやろうと決めた理由が、こちらのリー社長の人柄ですね。ここに大変私自身が惚れ込みました。会社に何度かお伺いしているんですけど、会社自体もアットホームな会社で本当にフレンドリーなカンパニーだということを感じております。これからもリー社長ともどもユニティ、そしていろんな製品開発を一緒にビジネスパートナーとしてやっていきながら、世界各国にですねいろんな商品展開をやっていくビジネスパートナーであっていただきたいなと、私ども全面的に協力していきたいなと思っています。はい、今回日本にこのマシンを輸入するにあたって、日本の役所ですね、厚生労働省っていう役所の検査が必要になりました。で、この検査がですねとても大変で、かなり細かい検査が必要で、口から通すところですから水が通る部分ですね、この部分のすべての部品の溶解検査、溶かして変なものが出ないかという検査がありまして、これに約3ヶ月ぐらいかかりました。ただそれもすべてクリアしまして、その部分かなり費用かかりましたけど、すべて OK ということで、今この製品が日本の中で弊社のお客様を含めてかなりのお客様に好評いただいてまして、今レンタルって形の中で普及しております。スタイリッシュで機能的もよくで、イオンテックさんの方が細かい部分の注文も応じてくれますので、これから日本全土にこの整水器が広がっていくと確信を持っています。
Water accounts for 70% of the human body and is an important element for human life. IonTech water filtration systems produce alkaline, neutral, and acidic water through electrolysis. The processed water helps to improve the quality of life and makes life more dynamic. What is electrolytic water? It is water produced through filtration and electrolysis into alkaline ionized water and acidic ionized water. Ionized water filtration systems simultaneously produce water with two levels of ORP, one with a high reduction potential, alkaline water, and one with a high oxidation potential, acidic water. ORP is a measure of the presence of oxidizing or reducing agents in a solution. The alkalized water produced by ionizers has a lower or negative ORP value. The more negative the ORP value, the greater the substance's tendency to give away electrons and be reduced. Water with a lower ORP value is believed to act as a free radical scavenger in the body. After processing, the water molecule clusters are small and move quickly out of human cells. This promotes metabolism, inhibiting free radicals. These effects are not attainable with tap water and general water purifiers. In addition, alkaline ionized water helps to maintain the body's acid-base balance. It provides minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium in a form easily absorbed by the body. Acidic ionized water has a double use for washing and antibacterial actions. It is suitable to use to bathe and wash skin and face. Neutral water can be used for medication and brewing milk. Now I'd like to perform a test to show you the difference in pH values between acidic water, normal tap water, and alkaline water. First, we'll take a sample of normal tap water. Next, we'll set our machine to the highest level. We'll first take alkalinic water. Next, we'll take some acidic water. Okay, now we'll take some of our test liquid into each glass. Give each a stir. There. Now you can see the difference in pH levels from the water. This is our tap water, this is our acidic water, and this is our alkalinic water. Now I'm going to demonstrate the antioxidizing effect of alkalinic water. First, let's take a sample of alkaline water. Now we'll take a sample of faucet water. Next, we'll use a little bit of iodine, about 10 drops in each glass. We'll give it a stir. Notice the tap water stays a little bit yellow. However, the alkalinic water turns almost transparent. So you can see that the faucet water still remains a little bit yellow. It's unable to dilute the iodine particles completely. However, our alkalinic water is able to dilute the iodine almost completely. Shows that the antioxidant effect from iodine is from the alkalinic water is quite strong. Now I'd like to perform some tests to show you the effects of ionization on water. First of these tests, I'm going to use some simple tea leaves. I'm going to use 1 glass of water from the faucet, and I'm going to use 1 glass of ionized water. And I'm going to show you the difference between these two. You'll find that water from the faucet, the molecular cluster is much larger. Water through an ionizer, the molecular cluster is much smaller, and the tea is able to expand much quicker. We'll first start with 3 teaspoons of tea in each glass. Next, we'll start our machine. We'll first start with some water from the faucet. Let it run a little bit. Water through the ionizer, and we'll set it to the highest level possible. Now we'll let the water sit for a while. You can notice already that the water from the ionized tea is starting to look a little more yellow than water from the faucet. Let's give it a stir. Okay, as you can see, water from our ionizer has made the tea much more yellow, much faster than water from the faucet. Again, this is because the molecular structure of the processed water allows the tea to expand and be synthesized much quicker than water from the faucet. And now I'd like to do a test to demonstrate the ORP value of alkaline water versus tap water. ORP basically represents oxygen reduction potential and shows the potential of a substance to react with other substances when in contact. The lower the ORP value, the more reactive the substance is. And actually, lower ORP values represent a sort of free radical scavenger in the body. We'll first take a sample of alkaline water. As you can see, the alkalinic water shows a value of approximately negative 290 to 300. Our tap water is showing a value of positive 380. Now, a negative value, as I mentioned before, a negative value indicates that during a reaction, the substance is more likely to give a molecule. A positive value indicates that during a reaction, a substance is more likely to take a molecule. A negative value indicates the substance will react as a free radical scavenger in the body. A positive value indicates that the substance will act to push free radicals even higher. Hi, my name is Robert from IonTech Water Filtration Systems. I'd like to introduce you to our standard installation method for our countertop unit. When you receive the product in the color package, put the box on the counter and open the top. The top layer contains fittings and various gaskets for installation to the faucet. Put these out in front of you clearly. Also included is a pH test kit and a stainless steel spigot. Lift out the main unit and place it on the countertop. Also included are hoses for attaching to the water faucet. Also included is an instruction manual to show you step-by-step instructions. To begin the installation, first inspect the threads on the end of the faucet. Faucets have outer threads, inner threads, and some have no threads at all. Check the various faucet adapters to find one that fits. Take the lid off the faucet converter and slide it onto the faucet. Then select the correct faucet fitting and screw it onto the faucet. Use the included wrench to tighten the faucet. After that, find an ideal place to put the machine. Close to the faucet as possible is ideal. Take your hose and open. Measure a correct length to the faucet and back. You'll need 2. Cut the hose to the correct length. On the bottom of the machine, you'll find fittings for in and out on the machine. One is marked outlet, one is marked inlet. Remove the protective caps. And feed your hose in through the slot on the bottom of the machine. Once you're sure the hoses are tightly connected, turn the machine over and run it to the faucet. Now, on the faucet diverter, you'll find the inlet and an outlet also. Remove the caps. First, slide the caps onto the hoses. Slide the hoses onto the fittings. Secure tightly. Next, slide the faucet converter over and do it up tight. Once you're sure everything is tight, plug the machine in. On the top of the spigot, you'll find a protective cap. Remove the cap and screw the spigot in. After the hoses are connected and the machine is plugged in, try turning on the faucet. In the up position, you'll receive water from the faucet. When the diverter is in the down position, water will be diverted through the diverter into the machine and out. The spigot will deliver alkaline water and the faucet diverter will deliver acidic water. If you check the LCD, you'll see in the top left-hand corner an amount showing the water flow. The top right-hand corner will show you the pH level. The bottom left-hand corner will show you the filter life remaining. Every machine has user-selectable pH levels. Starting at the top, 9 to 11 is strongly alkalinic and used for washing vegetables. The second level, 8.5 to about 10, is used for drinking and people who are used to alkalinic water. The next level, 8 to 9, is used for cooking, making rice and soups. The next level, 7.5 to 8.5, is a beginner level used for people who are just starting to use alkalinic water. You have a neutral level in the middle that produces water from the faucet. In the bottom, there are often 2 or 3 acidic levels. The first one, 5 to 6.5, is good for cleaning skin, disinfecting feet, etc. The very last level, 4 to 5.5. It's not suitable for drinking, but it's very good for washing dishes, cleaning cutting boards, etc.
The most healthy and good water. IonTech, water ionizers.